Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. How are you today? Today I am here with Maya and today we are going to talk about greeting someone new.
Hello, everyone. I am very happy to be here today. Let's start our conversation.
Yes, let's start. This is a very important topic for English learners.
I agree. Meeting new people can be scary, but simple words can help a lot.
Exactly. Maya, do you remember the first time you met a new friend?
Oh, let me think. Yes, I remember. I was at a coffee shop.
Oh, really? What happened?
I saw a girl. She had a book about English. I walked to her table and said, "Hello."
That sounds great. Was it easy or difficult for you?
I was a little nervous, Leo. My heart went boom, boom, boom. But she was very nice.
That is amazing. Being nervous is normal when greeting someone new.
Yes, that is true. What about you, Leo? How do you feel when you meet someone new?
I feel excited. I love making new friends and talking to people.
Wow, you are very brave, Leo.
Thank you, Maya. But today we want to help our listeners feel brave too.
Yes, let's help them.
Listeners, what about you? Do you feel nervous when you meet someone new? Please write your answer in the comments.
I want to read your comments later. Please share your stories.
Okay, Maya, let's look at the first words we use. What is the most common greeting?
The most common word is hello or hi.
That is true. Hello is formal and hi is informal.
Interesting. Leo, can you explain what formal and informal mean for beginners?
Of course. Formal means we use it with teachers, bosses, or older people. Informal means we use it with friends or family.
Ah, I understand. So hello is good for everyone, and hi is good for friends.
Exactly. Let's give an example.
Great idea.
Hello, my name is Leo.
Hi, Leo. I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Leo.
See, it is very short and very easy.
Yes, and after we say our names, what do we say next, Leo?
We usually say, nice to meet you.
Oh, I love that phrase. It is very polite.
It is. Let's practice that together slowly.
Okay.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Perfect. Did you notice what Maya added at the end? She said too, T-O-O.
Yes, to means also. It means I am happy to meet you also.
That is a useful word. Let's teach the pronunciation of nice. Some students say nis.
Oh, you're right. The I sound is long, like n-I-s.
Yes, repeat after me. Nice.
Nice.
Good job. Now let's look at another common phrase. How are you?
This is a classic question. Everyone asks this.
Yes. How do you answer this question, Maya?
I usually say, I am good, thank you. And you?
That is a perfect answer. It's polite because you say thank you and you ask the question back.
What are other answers? Because sometimes I am not good.
That is true. We are not always good. You can say, I'm okay, or not bad.
Not bad. That sounds very natural.
Yes, native speakers say not bad a lot. It means you're fine.
Interesting. Can we say, I'm fine?
Yes, you can. I'm fine, thank you. But sometimes it sounds a little cold.
Oh, really? Why?
If you say, I'm fine, with a flat voice, people think you are sad or angry.
Ah, I see. Tone of voice is important.
Very important. If you smile, I'm fine is okay.
That is a great tip, Leo. Thank you.
Let's talk about grammar for a moment. The verb to be is used a lot here.
Yes, I am, you are, he is, she is.
Right. For example, I am Maya or you are Leo.
Is there a short way to say it?
Yes, we call it a contraction. I am becomes I'm. You are becomes your.
Let's practice the short way. It sounds more natural when speaking.
I'm Leo.
I'm Maya.
Excellent. It saves time and sounds like a native speaker.
That is very helpful. Let's talk about a new situation. What if we meet someone at a party?
Oh, parties are fun. The greeting can be more informal.
What can we say instead of hello?
You can say, "Hey, how's it going?"
How's it going? That is a new phrase for me. What does it mean?
It means, "How are you?" It's just a casual way to ask.
How's it going? How do I answer that?
You can say, "Good, thanks," or "It's going well."
Wow, that sounds very cool. Let's try it. You start, Leo.
"Hey, Maya, how's it going?"
Good, thanks. How's it going with you?
Great. See, you did it perfectly.
That was fun. I feel like a native speaker now.
You sound like one.
If you are enjoying this conversation, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us make more videos for you.
Now, Leo, let's talk about body language. When we meet someone new, what do we do with our bodies?
That is a very good point. In English-speaking countries, we usually look at the person's eyes.
Eye contact.
Yes, eye contact. We look at them and we smile.
Do we shake hands?
Yes, a handshake is common, especially in business or formal situations.
I like smiling. A smile is a universal language.
It really is. A smile makes the other person feel welcome.
What about hugging? Do we hug new people?
No, usually we do not hug someone the first time we meet them. That's for close friends.
Okay, good to know. I will not hug strangers.
Yes, please wait until you know them better.
Let's look at another question people ask after saying hello. Where are you from?
Oh, this is a favorite question for English learners.
Yes, because we all come from different countries.
How do we answer, "Where are you from?"
We say, I'm from, and then the country. For example, I'm from Spain or I'm from Japan.
Perfect. Let's practice regular grammar here. I'm from is for the country. What if we want to use the nationality?
Ah, for nationality, we don't use from. We just say, I am Spanish or I am Japanese.
Exactly. That's a common mistake for beginners. They say, "I am from Japanese." That's wrong.
Yes. Remember, friends, from plus country or just nationality alone.
Let's do a little test, Maya. I will say a country and you say the sentence. Colombia.
I am from Colombia or I am Colombian.
Germany.
I'm from Germany or I'm German.
Excellent. You're a great student, Maya.
Thank you, Teacher Leo.
After we ask about their country, what else can we ask to continue the conversation?
We can ask about their job or what they do.
Yes, the question is usually, "What do you do?"
What do you do? This question is a bit confusing for beginners. Does it mean, what are you doing right now?
No, it does not. That's a great point, Maya. What do you do means, what is your job?
Ah, okay. So if I'm a teacher, I say, I am a teacher.
Yes, and remember to use a or an before the job name.
I'm a teacher. I'm an engineer.
Exactly. We use an because engineer starts with a vowel sound, E.
Let's give more examples of jobs with a or an.
Okay, a doctor, a student, an artist, an actor.
That is easy to remember.
Let's practice the full conversation from the start to this part. Let's act like we are meeting for the first time.
Okay, I'm ready. You start.
Hello, my name is Leo.
Hi, Leo. I'm Maya.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Leo.
How are you today, Maya?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I'm doing well. Where are you from, Maya?
I am from Canada. What about you?
I'm from America. What do you do, Maya?
I am a student. And you?
I'm a teacher.
Wow, that was great. Look at that. We made a whole conversation using simple sentences.
Yes, it flows naturally. Anyone can do this.
But Leo, what if I don't understand what the other person says? Sometimes people speak very fast.
That happens a lot. Do not worry. You can ask them to repeat or speak slowly.
What is a polite way for that?
You can say, "Could you repeat that, please?" Or, "Could you speak slowly, please?"
Could you repeat that, please? That is very helpful.
Yes, or you can simply say, "I'm sorry, I don't understand." Most people are very kind and will help you.
That is true. People want to help if you are trying to learn.
Exactly. Never be afraid to say you don't understand. It's part of learning.
That makes me feel better.
Listeners, what is your job? Please tell us in the comments. Write, "I am a," or "I am an."
Yes, practice your English writing in the comments below.
Maya, let's talk about ending a greeting. After you meet someone new, how do you say goodbye?
You can say, "It was nice meeting you."
It was nice meeting you. Notice we use meeting with ing here because it already happened.
Ah, yes. At the beginning, we say, "Nice to meet you." At the end, we say,